يسعد فؤادي كلما ذكر الحبيب ترنما ذاك الذي رب العلا صلى عليه وسلم نبي رب العالمين الصادق الهادي الأمين الطاهر الدمث الذي للحق صار معلما نبي رب العالمين الصادق الهادي الأمين الطاهر الدمث الذي للحق صار معلما للحق صار معلما ذاك الذي رب العلا صلى عليه وسلم.
Viewers, your Hajj is completed. Now you intend to visit Medina, which is the second holiest most place for Muslims. The people of this city provided shelter and refuge to Holy Prophet ﷺ and his companions in times of trouble and hardships. The Holy Prophet ﷺ prayed to Allah for bestowing his same blessings in this city as they are in Makkah. To die here in this city is an honor. Hazrat Umar radiallahu anha prayed for his martyrdom in Medina and Allah accepted his prayers. Whenever Holy Prophet would return from any journey, he used to increase his speed in great pleasure when Medina would come in sight. Hadith number 1886 in Sahih Bukhari states this fact. Another hadith number 1189 in Sahih Bukhari describes that Masjid al-Nabawi is amongst the places whose pilgrimage is obvious to be done in order to earn reward from Allah. So, if anyone returns from Saudi Arabia without visiting Prophet's mosque, they will miss huge reward from Allah. One prayer in this mosque is better than 1,000 in any other mosque of the world. Also offer non-obligatory prayers here, which are equivalent to obligatory prayers here.